Hi, Dave Snyder here. It is December the 11th, 2012, and gotta try to be quiet, so I'm just talk kind of low here. Okay, so I want to go over this overlay in detail. This is Antarctica, the South Pole, the weather yesterday. I saved this picture because it's hard to get a picture of the continent of Antarctica on Google Earth without having it grayed out, completely grayed. They grade the whole continent in gray, like a dark gray color, or light medium gray color, I guess, and and cover the whole thing in a gray color. I don't know why. Okay, it doesn't appear to be like it's any kind of weather type or anything like that. It's just grayed out because of the patterns of the clouds what they show. Okay, I'm going to show you right now. I was lucky to get this picture. It's hard to get them. I'm telling you. Both the north and south poles are difficult to get a clear picture of the weather patterns there. So I try to get those when I can. Okay, so let's go over this in detail. I was just kind of looking at it, and I'm just, want to go kind of slow through it. Okay, let's just go right here first. Right here, this area. You gotta look in the clouds. I mean, the clouds are what show it. You have to understand. Look at this right here. You have to understand the clouds. Um, don't ask me how. Magnetism, something like that. I mean, it shows weather. When the moon is full too, it changes the weather extremely. Like during Hurricane Sandy, that was during a full moon, and then it stayed that way. The weather stayed exactly the same on my Google Earth anyway. The weather over North America over there stayed almost exactly the same for like a week, almost about 5 days actually, about 5 days, and I found this other weather pattern during the same time that showed something. It showed something beautiful too, and it stayed there for like 3 days. But the thing is, they were both there together at the same time, and then all in one day, the weather around the whole planet changed. All around the whole planet just entirely changed. So I mean, it was kind of trippy, pretty cool. Anyways, the weather shows you everything. We gotta get this. We gotta figure this out before they do something about this. I don't know, because this is so big, so big. Look at that. I mean, let's just go slow and just take a look. Stand back from your monitor a little bit. Sit back and just take a look at that. And you know what? It's not. I'm not going to say it's perfect because I just did it real quick. Once it was there, I just left it there. I probably get a little better. Well, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. There, you see this. Those clouds are showing it all. Look at that right there. That's so nice. That is such proof right there. I don't know what else to say. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. I mean, really, I should just shut my mouth and just let you look at this while I do this. I'll turn it at different angles and I'll just do that. So you do what you want. Think what you want. Just show it to you. Check it out. Right here. Oops. Sorry. Nerd back up a little bit. bright spot right there at that thing. Look at that. That bright spot is right in place for them. Look at that. Look at that. Well, how convenient. Huh. It's funny. Just in case they do let it slip, they got to have that. It probably goes right here, actually. It looks like it might be right under that. No, it burns this off too. See where that fits. Then you got to wonder about this picture. Sometimes that's what I wonder about that. But then I've used they're all the same. Any of them from anywhere, NASA, any reputable lunar image. It's detailed. I mean, I haven't found any that were. Some are that are there's a lot of drawings actually. The drawings are pretty detailed, but they leave out some things. I'm telling you, they sure don't make it easy to see. Look at that. See, there you go. Look at that is gorgeous. Look at that. Just look. Holy shit. You can see how this comes down. There's like a point here and a point like here. That's cool. But look at the pattern. That whole thing. That's how big the moon is, people. That's how big the moon is. Because, like I explained in my last video, it's being at the South Pole. I don't think it could get any smaller. It's you know. Seems like everything contracts at the poles. Any land that's at the pole is kind of contracted or something. At least it seems that way on this program. And I would imagine it's the same way in reality. I mean, because we know that anything at the equator is bulging out, pretty much. Probably stretches out, so making it bigger. But look at that. That is the size right there of just that crater. Looks like. So either the moon is a Mars-sized planet, or it's bigger than the Earth, or it's about as big as the Earth. Might be appears to be about the same size. If I'm to go by scale, this is about what this looks like on the moon. So it's probably, it looks like, I've done the math a couple times already, but you know, it's like at least 3.5 times bigger than what they say. That's it right there. I'll leave it at that. At least 3.5 times the size they say. And if you don't think that's the same thing, if you don't, I mean, geez, people, the weather is showing us that. The weather is showing us what's going on here. Either that, or someone made this picture. They know the weather patterns of this area, and they were able to create this Mare Oriental picture to fit everything. But I can bring up the USGS map, like I've showed before in my videos, and it fits the same. So you can't really do that, I guess. And besides that, the side that we see has hit the Earth too. The side that faces the Earth all the time. Think about that, people. Why does it face the Earth all the time? Because it's magnetically attracted to face us like that. That's the only thing it could be. What else could it be? Of course it is. It's magnetically attracted to the Earth, and it's not letting it spin. It's not the sun doing it. It's the Earth that's keeping it. They're at a constant tug of war with each other. The moon is Earth's nemesis, has been for a long, long time, and I mean that's what their pictures show. That's what their pictures show. Okay, and now either what I'm saying is true, or their pictures are phony, and they're just. But we can see this side of the moon, so they can't do that really, because we can see this side of the moon, and you can clearly line that up. Right, I could put it right here. I'll bet you I could put the North Pole right here. Watch, I'm going to do it right now. Right now. North Pole. Figure out which one it was. could use any of them if I really, but I just want to find the right one. That one right there is really cool. Try that one. See that center? That's a good one. Look at that, beautiful. Oh man, that was a great day. Look at that thing. Okay, see that straight edge right there? You see this? I see a straight edge right there. I'm just going to go ahead and try that first. Could go the other way. I'm not sure. No, it goes like that. See this edge? You see how that comes down this side? And see that? Okay. I'm seeing the same thing right there, I think. Because listen, Mare Oriental is the source of our world. Absolutely shapes everything on our Earth and the moon itself. It shapes the other sides of the moon itself, the moon too. Because Mare Oriental, I don't know, whatever created Mare Oriental, whatever on Earth created Mare Oriental. Okay, that's what shaped the moon and the Earth, basically. Whatever it was, that first initial impact with Mare Oriental, I guess, but it has shaped everything else on the moon and everything else just like it. Because there you see the North Pole, and you know what I'm showing you. I just did that out of nowhere. Just happened to line up like that corner right there. Shit. Look at this right here. There's something going on in the same spot right here. Both of them. Something right there and something right there. Same exact location. Look at that. Right there, that big round area. And then look at this. You see something round right there too. And that same kind of curve. Something's going on with that. That appears to be. And then you see the same, look at this right here. Wow. That is the same. Wow. That has to do with the magnetic field or something. That and the moon. No, because Mare Oriental hits the North Pole too, people. It doesn't just hit the South Pole. I hate to tell you that. I mean, I don't really hate to tell you any of it because I think everybody should know the truth. But either that or know the lie. So either way, I think you should know either way, right? It doesn't matter if you. All information is good, whether it be, they're trying to show us this purposely, whatever. I have no idea. But like I said, we can see the side of the moon. Anybody can take a picture of it. Damn. Turn off the weather right now. Check that out. Oh, it's not even on. Oh, because there's two weather pictures. That's right. Okay. Some interesting things will happen when you do this. I'm telling you. Once you start to get the hang of it, I guess. I mean, I just see it all the time now. You start to learn the shapes. You just see it all the time. I mean, I could just imagine what some little motivated youngster could do doing this. That'd be awesome to see somebody do that. Because I mean, I'm not as motivated to do it as I'd like to be. You know what I mean? If I was younger, I'd be chasing this down. I'd be chasing it down. I should chase it down anyway, huh? Look at that corner. That's the same thing. You know it is. So anyways, let's try another one. Try another North Pole picture. Okay, I want to find that one. the only one I have really good picture. I think I might have called it something else. Here, this one might even be better. It might even be better to do it with no weather, actually. With no weather at all. That might even be, look at that pattern. See that? That's the same pattern I just showed you at the South Pole. See that? Wow. Okay, this should be real easy. I'm thinking that there's that line again. See a line again right there. Somewhere. Maybe like that. I see it. Oh, that is it. Pretty close. Right there, no? Oh, I see it. I see it now. It goes like this. Looks like. So I thought I saw it a second ago here. There we go. Oh, it goes down here. Right. I lose it or something? I think I lost it. Start staring at it too long, I start losing everything. Okay, there. I think I see it. I see it now. This part right here. This area right here is what I was looking at. I see that. Oh, jeez, look at that. How is that? How did they do that? That could be just no. That couldn't be coincidence. Could it? Think not. Cancel that one. So, anyways, you see what I'm saying? Let's just. I mean, it's almost better to just not bring up too much to confuse people, and just show you like this. You know, just show you this one, and show you all around the whole thing. This is a cool way to look at it like this, actually. This right here, yeah, this is it. Watch this. Look at that. Look at the shape of this. It is so wicked looking. It looks so wicked like that right there. Holy cow. Oh, welcome to the real world, everybody. I don't know. I just can't keep my mouth shut about it. I mean, I can't understand why do that. Well, I do understand because it made them rich. Just think if you knew this, back in the day. That is important information. And you know the scientists knew it back then when they were looking at it. They had to think about it. I mean, it's not that I thought of it. It just popped up in my brain all on its own. I didn't get any ideas from anybody. I just learned how to do it all on my own. I mean, I couldn't believe Google Earth had that option in there, that tool. That is so cool to be able to do that. I mean, that is, man, they just gave it to us. Just gave it to us. That's what kind of worries me sometimes, but I don't know. Like I said, you can see this side of the moon. They can't do nothing about that. Oh, I could put this side of the moon right here too. Watch. Watch this. Okay, what am I going to do? I'm going to put I'll just use a different one. I won't even use one that I know will go there. Just try to use oh, I think it's just far down. Oh, nope. Up here. There it is. This is a drawing of the lunar near side, the side we see, and it's hard to see their drawings, but I mean, because you can never copy reality. Okay, so it shouldn't have put it down right in place, but I can make this fit quick, I bet. Just kind of stop lagging. I noticed that my thing was doing some update. Yeah, it's doing updates, so I shouldn't have even made the video at this time, but I'm trying to end it quick. Okay, I am seeing something over here, like this. Right, down like this. Yep, there we go. Already done. It might be. Yep, there it is. See it right here. That's whole. That's supposed to be Mare Oriental. I don't understand that, what they're doing, what they're trying to do there. Oh, that goes like right where it was, right there. Check it out from a distance. See the big hole over here? You can see that? I gotta stretch it out a little more, actually. Yep. Right there. Yeah, it's gotta go up. No, it's the same, huh? I mean, you can see where I can see it. See, this goes right around there. That big crater there goes there. And remember, it's a drawing, so, but I think it matches up pretty good for being a drawing. There's that crater there. See it? There it is. Look at that. Right there. Right there. And then you see this other one, too. This one here, you can see something there somewhere right there. Right there. I think. Right where that big cloud is. Right there. Or it could be, no, that's the other one too, right there. Uh-oh. I see the fish. Right there. I gotta put this back up like that. Oh, that's getting better. Getting better. Hold on. Almost there. Yeah, I think that's good. I'll try that. Turn the weather on. This right here, that should fill that in just. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, you just start right here. See the circle in the clouds there? See the circular area of the clouds? Look at that. Oh, look at right there, the cloud. Right there, look at that. Crater there. Right there. Just a little bit off. Very little. You see that one too. See that where it runs down right there? That line? Yep. Clearly. how it runs down right here. And you just watch me do this. I mean, it turned out pretty good, you gotta admit. Okay. What else do we got? Since it fits so good up there, look at this. This is that right there. Better believe it. Watch, I could get it even better, I bet. Get that, all this stuff right in place. There's our place from last video. Right there. Boom, right there, look at that. Oh my goodness, I gotta get that in place. Yeah, I got it. That splits right there. You can see that. Holy cow. Yeah, down. Right? Yeah, down. Over a little bit. I think. Is that right? No, the other way. Pull it. Right. Uh-oh, wait a minute. Weather. Let's see. Try it there. Wait. I gotta turn it. I don't know, I'd check the stuff up here. I'm still checking the weather, huh? Did I screw this up here? No, looks still good. Looks really good still. Look at that. Oh, I see the. Looks like it goes around that. Wait a minute. Screw it up. I think. Anyways, you see what I'm getting at here? This goes right here. There's no doubt about that. And just fade that in and out. Turn off this weather. Now it looks like it's off right there though. Yeah, right here. Oh well, you see what I mean. So, sorry to drag it on so long. Just kind of spaced off there for a minute. Just finding some cool stuff. Alright. So anyways, have a good day. Going to bed. Have a good night.